大家好，欢迎来到跟陈老师学汉语。第10课，我能坐这儿吗？这节课我们要学习3个短的汉语对话，接着我们要学习在 something 里 why 前后上下，然后我们要学习有能请和，最后是阅读练习。第1个对话，桌子上有什么？桌子上有一个电脑和一本书。手机在哪儿？手机在抽屉里。桌子 is a noun, means desk or table. 上 is a noun, means up or above. 电脑 is a noun, means personal computer. 和 is a conjunction, means and. 本 it's a measure word. It is a measure word for books. 手机 it's a noun, means cell phone. 抽屉 it's a noun, means drawer. 里 is also a noun, means inner, inside, or interior. The main character in the first 2 sentences is the verb 有. I'll explain it later in the video. Let's look at the last sentence first. We have learned the character 在 in lesson 9. It indicates location or direction. But why do we have to see 里 here? What is the grammar of this sentence? Let me explain. 在 something 里 means to be in. There are 2 characters that have been omitted. They are 的 and 面. We have learned 的 in lesson 3. It indicates kinship. 面, it means side in English. Literally, the sentence means the cell phone is at the drawer's inner side. But in English, we don't say it that way. We just say the cell phone is in the drawer. Why the character 的 can be omitted? I'll explain it later in detail in next lesson. 里 and 里面 somehow means the same thing. That's why we can omit 面. So the sentence becomes what we saw in the beginning. Let's change the subject and the location, like this one. 医生在医院里. The doctor is in the hospital. In this sentence, 的 and 面 also have been omitted. Let's put them back. Now we have learned somebody or something is inside of something. Then how do we express somebody or something is outside of something? It's just like in English, we replace in by out. Then it becomes the doctor is outside of the hospital. The same as front side, back side, lower side, and upper side. Y means out. 前 means front. 后 means back. 下 means lower. 上 means upper. So, literally, 外面 means outer side. 前面 means front side. 后面 means back side. 下面 means lower side. 上面 means upper side. And these Chinese sentences are all correct. And also, you can omit 的 and 面. Then, the sentences has less characters but they mean the same thing. This also applies to left side, right side, north side, east side, south side, and west side. And we'll learn these words in the future lessons. 第二个对话，前面那个人叫什么名字？他叫安雅，在医院工作。后面那个人呢？他叫什么名字？他叫李思文，在商店工作。前面 it's a noun, means front or front side. 后面 it's also a noun, means back or back side. 安雅 it's a name. 李思文 it's also a name. This conversation is about how to ask names and professions of somebody. 第三个对话，这儿有人吗？没有。我能坐这儿吗？可以，请坐。这儿 is a pronoun, means here. 没有 is an adverb, means there is not. 能 is a modal verb, means can or may. 坐 is a verb, means to sit or to be seated. 可以 is a noun, means sure. 请 it means please. The first word, 这儿, 这 is the main character. R is the R sound, as we explained in previous lesson. The R sound makes the sentence sound nicer and more friendly. You can omit the character R and it doesn't change the meaning of the sentence. Now we'll learn the second meaning of 有, which indicates existence. 请跟我读这三个句子。桌子下面有一只狗。学校里面有一个商店。桌子上有一个电脑和一本书。The character 有 has two meanings. The first one means to have. We have learned it in lesson 5. If you forgot, you can check it out later. The second meaning is there be, to indicate existence. Like in these three sentences, they are all existential sentences, indicating a person or a thing exists somewhere. The structure of these Chinese sentences is the subject plus the predicate plus the object. Location or direction are the subject. The verb 有 functions as the predicate. And noun or phrase of place, person, or thing are the object. The English sentence structure is there is or are something or somebody at somewhere. The word order is totally different between English and Chinese, and also you cannot use to have in the English sentence. Let's have a recap. The first meaning of 有 is to have. The second meaning of 有 is there is or there are to indicate existence. Actually, this is pretty similar to the English verb to be. In English, to be can indicate someone or something equals someone or something. And also, it can indicate a location or direction. But in Chinese, we have two different verbs to express these two meanings. 是 is used to indicate someone or something equals someone or something. 在 is used to indicate a location or direction. This is a common thing in language learning. Just get used to them. Now, let's learn the negative form of 有. You just add a character 没 in front of 有. 没 means no or not. Then it's the negative form. You might ask, the negative form of 是 and 在 is 不. Why here we use another character 没? I can only tell you it is what it is. Chinese have two negative characters for different verbs. The first one is 不, the second one is 没. I'll explain in which cases we use 不 and in which cases we use 没 in the future lessons. Okay, that's all about the character 有. Now, let's learn the modal verb 能, which means can in English. 请跟我读这些句子。明天下午我能去商店。你能说汉语。我能弹钢琴。你能说法语吗？你能在这儿写你的名字吗？我能坐这儿吗？弹 is a verb, means to play. 钢琴 it's a noun, means piano. 弹钢琴 play piano. 能 means can or be able to do something. Firstly, it can be used to express possibility, like in the first sentence, it expresses the possibility of going to the store tomorrow. Secondly, it can be used to express capability, like in the second, third, and fourth sentences. The second and third sentences expresses capability of doing something. The fourth sentence asks another person if she or he has the capability of doing something. The sentence structure 能 吗 can also be used to indicate a request or hope for permission, like in the last two sentences. Okay, that's all about the modal verb 能. The imperative sentences with 请 please. 请跟我读这些句子。请坐。请喝茶。请写你的名字。请吃。请走。请说。The character 请 means please. How we use 请 is pretty similar compared to the English word please. In Chinese, usually we put 请 in the beginning of a sentence. The conjunction 和请跟我读这三个句子。我有一个中国朋友和一个美国朋友。我家有3口人，爸爸妈妈和我。桌子上有一个电脑和一本书。The character 和 means and. It is used to connect two or more elements, indicating a parallel relationship, just like how we use and in English. 阅读练习，请跟我读。电脑在哪儿？书在哪儿？抽屉里面有什么？小狗在哪儿？哪个人是安雅？哪个人是李思文？你的桌子上面有什么？你的椅子下面有什么？我家有3口人，或者我家有3个人。我买1个杯子。我有5本汉语书。椅子80块钱。桌子上有1个杯子。桌子上有1个电脑和1本书。我能坐这儿吗？他在这儿工作。Okay, that's all for lesson 10. 谢谢，下节课再见。If you like my video, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.